Hi there, this is Saif Rahman from the Saifar YouTube channel. This is Excel. So today I'm going to show you a good trick about Excel if you are using Microsoft Excel. So this trick will work too much if you are a beginner of Microsoft Excel and you are using Microsoft Excel regularly. So this work and this tutorial will help you too much. So as you can see, if I say you what is the difference between these two number, what is the difference if I say you, and if I ask you a question, maybe this is a question I'm asking you right now. So what is that? You obviously will say me that there has a difference between the punctuation. I put it the punctuation between these words. It is 10 lakhs and it is also 10 lakhs, but the difference is it is look professional, it's not look the professional. If I say if you're working in Microsoft Excel, or you need to calculate, you need to work about currency or money, so maybe you will put the number in Microsoft Excel. But if you put just like so, I am showing you just like if I mark over there, you can see if you putting just like so this number, it will not look professional. So I'm showing you the problem, how to solve. I will show you how to add separator on number, just if you wanna look your Excel data as a professional. All you need to do, you have to select all of cells. You can see in this row or in this column, all of cells has a separator after the 10 number. Now you can see it's not looking very professional. So if I wanna make professional, so what I will do, I'm going to select, you have to select all of those cells or column that you want to add separator, and then after selecting, you have to right click on your mouse. You will find out an option that is format cells. Just click on there and then you will find out a window, and you have to select the number tab. There is a lot of tab, you can see border, field, protection. Just select numbers tab and there you will find number. Now there is a complicated things that you need to understand. You can see I put it the first number as a 15,000. Now you can see sample. In this sample bar you will find out that the Excel is adding 20 after 50,000, but I don't need the 20 or decimal number. I just need the 15,000 with a separator. So if you don't need any decimal number, just maybe in your Excel window it will show up just like so 2 or 3 or 4. You have to click it as a 0. You can press it on your keyboard or you can change right there. Okay, make it 0 and then just check on this bar, use 1000 separator. Just click on there and then press OK. You will find out that everything has added as separator. That's a great trick and great option has in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to be professional in Microsoft Excel, this trick will help you too much. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you learn a little bit from this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.